Hi friend, I'm Arpita, your DIY friend. Today I'm going to teach you how to make herbal bath powder. So let's start the video. Friends, let's start the video. So the first herbal bath which we are going to make is the rejuvenating herbal bath. And the ingredient we need is turmeric powder. This is rose petal powder. This is lodhra, rice flour powder. And this is chandan. So, first of all, we take a small teacup and we will add turmeric powder. All the powder I'm taking here is 5 grams. It's enough for 3 to 4 days. This is rose petal powder. This is lodhra, very good for detanning. It helps. These all items are available, very easily available in Amazon. This is rice flour powder. It's good for exfoliation. This powder helps you to rejuvenate and detan and get back your skin color. And this is the chandan powder. So let's mix it. We have to store in a dry container like this. We have to fill it. And while bathing, mix it with milk or water or oil. Apply on your body. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes till it dried out. And then wash it out. After bathing, you don't need to apply soap or any body wash. You can apply directly moisturizer after bath, and it will every day applying will gives a better result. Even once or twice in a week is good enough. Make sure that you take it. It can be applied on the face also, so it can be on the full body. And your mix it. Your herbal rejuvenating bathing powder is ready. Hello friends, this is our second herbal bath recipe. Here we are going to make this for the acne prone skin, and the ingredients here we need is this is orange peel powder, this is green gram dal powder. I have grinded in the mixture. This is multani mitti. This is aloe vera leaf powder, and this is neem leaf powder. So we will take all of them equal quantity, and this is the green gram dal powder which works as a exfoliation. This is very good for skin. So let's mix them all. So take a empty jar. We will add 1 teaspoon of green gram dal, 1 teaspoon of this multani mitti. This is a orange peel powder. This is also 1 teaspoon. That's all equal to 5 grams. All of the ingredients should be the equal quantity. This is aloe vera leaf powder. Mix them. And this is neem leaf powder. Yeah, I've written it a little bit less because we have already added. So now mix them all. This also removes the tanning and the extra oil. Just make sure to apply, mix it, use it with milk or water. Don't use it with oil. When you mix it while bathing, apply it on your skin and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it out. After that, you can apply the gel-based moisturizer. For the oily skin and acne-prone skin, it's very important that in winter they use the gel-based moisturizer. Don't skip the moisturizer part. Yeah. So now Hello friend, this is the last herbal bath powder for the normal and normal skin. So here we will be using grinded oat powder. This is besan, chickpea powder. This is turmeric. This is rose petal powder. These are available in Amazon. This is red chandan. This is optional. This is the normal chandan powder. So we will mix them all and pour it in the jar. You have to remember one thing that this is for all type of normal skin and you can use it daily before bathing. Apply it and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it out and after that you can apply the moisturizer. So let's start the video. So let's mix them nicely. All of them are dry, so if you can freeze it or keep it, just make sure that when you are using it, remove it in a small quantity and don't add water to it to the complete powder, or keep it away from the water so it can stay well. It should be dry. So take a small jar like this and pour it in a jar. Have extra little, so I will keep it for, I don't have more. So this is a jar, a small beaker where we will be mixing the turmeric powder, the 5 gram of each powder. This is besan, chickpea powder. You can use it with milk, honey, curd. This is oatmeal powder. Just grind it in a grinder, dry grinder. Let's give the exfoliation part. This is rose petal. It's adds the natural moisturizing. This is removes the red chandan and white chandan are good for the skin tanning and brings out your natural skin color. This is white chandan. Red chandan is optional. You don't need to use it if you don't have. These all things are very easily available in the Amazon, so you can make it and keep it. So this is ready, you can see. So these are all the three powders. You can see they all look same, but the ingredients are different for the different type. This is for the rejuvenating normal skin. This is for exfoliation. This is for the normal skin. Everyone can use it. You can also make your baby bath with this powder. That's good for their skin tone as well. Thank you for watching the video and keep following me and subscribe to my video to get more such like videos.